Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create your own green screen effect in Canva, easy Canva tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just choose a template in Canva to get redirected onto their editor page. Here onto their editor page, we'll need to head onto the elements in here to add a background first. So here onto the elements, onto the upper part, there is a search bar. Let's try to search for a background in here. So just type in background. Then right after, just choose onto the different video backgrounds that it offers so that we could go ahead and use it as a background for a green screen effect. Choose your preferred background for that one. So for example, we could use this one. Just simply click onto this so that it should be added onto your screen in here. Then you could right click onto this and you should be able to see the set video as background in here as an option. So click onto that and right after you could upload here on uploads your own video that you want to go ahead and add the green screen effect. So for this one, we're going to go ahead and try to search for any person in here since I don't have an upload so that we could use that one here. We'll click onto videos and then we could choose any photo in here. For example, this one. So you could click onto that. And once it is added, to go ahead and add in the green screen effect, you'll just have to simply click onto that. And then you should be able to find an option to edit the video. So click onto edit video. And here under tools, you should be able to find the background remover to remove the background of your video with one click. So if you click onto that, it should go ahead and remove the background of the video that you have added. Now, right after you have applied that, you should be able to find in your video with its background removed. So you could adjust this as per your liking and you could position the video anywhere you want onto the video background. So it should go ahead and look something like this. And if you do a quick preview here, just click onto the play button here onto the bottom part. And this is how the video looks like. And that is just basically it, how you create a green screen effect in Canva. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.